Hello friends, my name is Dr. Huma Hassan and now I am reflecting on anthropology and current affairs. So in today's article, The Hindu, okay, you have got a very good article that not that is not only going to help anthropology students, but also the students who are writing their mains and also those who are having sociology optionals. See, you people must be knowing that how anthropology and sociology is are the two disciplines who has the maximum overlapping topics and subtopics with your GS. Now this topic, both of you, sociology and also anthropology, student can take direct benefit. So this topic would help sociology paper 2 students and anthropology also paper 2 students. Okay, it is with respect to mortality, sex ratios, uh, demography and Indian population. Now, how you people have to get in-depth understanding of it? How you people read? You should read editorial. So first of all, if you will see, it is like a fostering a commitment. So the topic is fostering a commitment to stop maternal death. Now, if you have read the editorials, today's editorial, you will see that the editorial got started with interrogative sentence. Okay, I will tell you later on that how in your answer writing in your essays you can also sometimes start your answer with your this part. Okay, that you can start with this interrogative sentence. So why should 93 women lose their life while 1 lakh women have a safe delivery? So this is what on July 8th, Dr. K.R. Antony had asked, given an article. Now, why it is important? So you would say because it is the first motherhood module for the Ministry of Health on behalf of UNICEF. Okay, so Antonio is the first person who drafted the first safe motherhood module for the Ministry of Health on behalf of UNICEF. So these kind of articles are really important for UPSC aspirants. Okay, then what how you should read very quickly. You should not give more than 30 minutes. 30 minutes is very much. I would say eventually it should be only 15 minutes. Okay, then you are taking the facts. So the maternal mortality rate, MMR 93, in other words, the proportion of maternal death, 1 lakh live birth under the sample registration system. Okay, this is a fact. Then you take that how the article is defining maternal death. Then it is also telling about the declining years. Now in the article, so author is talking about maternal mortality situation. How you can deal with this maternal mortality situation. Okay, so for that they have suggested and used at empowered action group. What they have done, they have categorized states into some groups and that is reflecting stratified cluster approach. Okay, so you will see that how these people said that maternal mortality situation can be better. This is the second paragraph by empowered action group. So states, they have divided the states, right? Now you should be also using, okay, that how the categories of the state had been done. Now further you will see the reasons. So it is talking about the beliefs. So sometimes the social cultural beliefs. So the attitude of family members is like family members believes inertia a natural process. It is like that it's okay. This is a natural process. This is how it happens. Now because of that, sometimes you have delayed, you have mortality death. Now for that, self-help group and ASHA have played a significant role. So this is how you should use that. Okay, what can be the solution? Solution can be this. Then also the article is talking about delay in transportation. Then it is giving the facts. However, 108 ambulance system and emergency transport mechanism is also helping. It is also helping in doing some sort of relief. So that you can also suggest. Then you are talking about specialized care at the health facility. This is the most important paragraph. It is like mentioned with the subheading called other problems. So you people have to take extractions Whensoever you are reading editorial, you should take extraction for your GS paper. Now I will show you a very interesting thing. So this was your heading, fostering a commitment to stop maternal death. So it is like a demand of the questions. So your demand of the question will tell how you people should write introduction and your answers. Okay. Now you will see this. This was the interrogative sentence what author had started. In the end, the last three lines, what it says, if there is a commitment, okay, so if there is a commitment and will to stop preventable natural maternal death, there is no limit to the varieties of proactive interventions. Okay, so this is how you can see what is happening. So you need commitment, right? So I would suggest this important part to all of you. Whensoever you are reading editorials, you are reading newspapers, please understand it is going to help you in your sociology and anthropology optional papers. Okay, now it is like fostering a commitment to stop maternal death. This is how they have started introduction, right? 93 women lose their life while 1 lakh women have a safe delivery. And then these are facts. Then you should use this approach that how Anthony is giving the first motherhood module, like, and then it is also telling that okay, we did have declining years as well. Okay, then UPSC can ask on maternal mortality situation. You can formulate various prelims based questions also on this topic. And then this is more point for your body 1 and body 2, how beliefs, how delay in transportation, and how specialized care, that these facilities is not like very good, how we need to improvise, can also help us to have control over maternal death. And then you can see the introduction itself. So if there is a commitment and a will to stop preventable maternal death, there is no limit to the varieties of proactive interventions. So this is what I would say. You people have to know importance of editorials. So the maternal mortality ratio for India is on the decline, but there are states that need to focus on basic and systematic issues. So when you are reading editorial, don't give that much of time. You need to know skim and skipping. You need to take the extractions. And this is what going to help you for clearing this exam. I hope you people are liking my lectures. Okay, so this was on female issues. Okay, this is on gender perspectives on mortality problems. Okay, so you can always use this important editorial insights for your answer writing. Thank you.